What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. Today we're going to talk about how important a long term is and why every investor should have a long term before they ever start trading. So let's say my current age is 20, and instead of 65, I plan to retire 10 years early at 55. Let's just say I have about 10K saved up for retirement, so that's what I'm going to initially start with as my investment. Now, we're going to contribute about, let's say, around $300 a month. Actually, let's go a little lower than that. Let's do around $250. And I know some of you are thinking, oh my gosh, I can't save $250 a month. Well, you can go to this calculator too and do whatever you think you would be able to save. Now, our annual return, we're going to put 12% because historically the S&P has returned around 12%. Now, if you look, in 35 years, your investment could be worth $2.2 million from $10,000 starting off and $250 every month. Your initial balance is starting at $10,000. Your contributions is $105,000. Now, a lot of you think that's a lot, but that's over 25 years. 5% of the total. Growth. 95% of your total just in growth. Just insane, guys. What if you saved an extra $100 per month? $600,000 on top of $2.2 million. What if I gave up daily coffee purchases? It would add $128 a month. Add $769,000 on $2.2 million. What if I gave up restaurant visits? Add $200 a month. Adds another $1.2 million on top of $2.2 million, which would be $3.4 million. Now, if you look at compound growth, right here we see in 10 years, we go from around 14K to 65,000. Now, most people would pull out because they think that's a great profit. But if you look another 10 years from that, we go all the way to 275K. Insane growth from 65K to $275,000. But let's say you just waited another year because you're a long-term investor. Now that 271 has turned into $965,000. You are now a millionaire in 28 years. But let's say you wait another, right? You go to $2.2 million. Just insane, guys. If we see right here on this pie chart, your initial balance is 10 grand. Your contributions is 105, but look at the amount of growth you get. Please, guys, invest in a long-term portfolio. Set yourself up for retirement and be financially free. You will not regret it. The growth from the S&P, most traders don't even make. 95% of day traders fail. Get yourself a long-term and get going. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe. It helps me out a ton. New videos coming in the future. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace.